The pay grade setup allows you to create a structured list of pay grades by defining specific salary ranges. These entries prove valuable for HR managers during job postings, employee onboarding, or when assigning salary brackets for new hires. By setting up pay grades in advance, the salary structuring process becomes more efficient and consistent across the organization. To add a new pay grade, click on the Add Pay Grade icon. A form will appear where you'll need to enter a suitable pay grade title, followed by specifying the salary range. Enter the starting amount in the From field and the maximum amount in the To field. Once all required information is filled out, click the Save button and confirm the process. The pay grade entry will then be securely saved in your school's database. You can continue adding more pay grade entries as needed by simply repeating the same steps. If you need to make changes, click on the Edit icon in the Actions section, or use the Delete icon to remove an entry. Using the Show Entries option, you can control the number of records displayed in the list. There are some more options from you can copy the entire entries, open them in Excel sheet, export it as a PDF, print it, or customize the column visibility as per your need. You can use the search bar to locate entries within the database instantly.